When Ruth Bader Ginsburg died in September 2020, America mourned the passing of an icon. With her trademark glasses and white lace collar, Bader Ginsburg was undoubtedly one of the most recognizable justices on the Supreme Court. But it was her work championing people's rights that revolutionized lives across the United States. Born in 1933 into a working-class Jewish family from Brooklyn, Joan Ruth Bader, as she was originally known, grew up in an Orthodox community. Her parents encouraged her to think independently, value education, and to study hard. It all paid off. After graduating high school, she headed for Cornell University, where she met her future husband, Marty Ginsburg. But marriage didn't stop her from excelling. Ruth was admitted to Harvard Law School, one of only 9 female students in a class of 500 men. The dean once asked her why she was there, taking the place of a man. Little did he know what she would go on to achieve. Her young marriage soon faced challenges as Marty was diagnosed with cancer. Undaunted, Bader Ginsburg cared for him and their daughter while attending her own classes and typing up notes for his. Offered a job with a city law firm, Marty moved the family to New York. Completing her law degree at Columbia, Bader Ginsburg came up against closed doors. She soon discovered that no law firm in New York would hire a female lawyer who had a child. As co-founder of the ACLU's Women's Rights Project, a group that gave legal support to those discriminated against by gender, she paved the way for more gender equality across society. She used the brilliant tactic of fighting for men's rights to show that men and women should be treated equally. For example, when widower Stephen Weisenfeld was denied the child support benefits that a woman would have received in the same situation, Ginsburg argued that this was a case of gender discrimination and won. A skilled orator, Bader Ginsburg won 5 out of 6 gender discrimination cases taken up by the Supreme Court and was celebrated across America as a champion of women's rights. Popularly called RBG, her legal career culminated in 1993 when President Bill Clinton nominated Ginsburg to sit on the highest court in the land. The first Jewish woman to serve on the Supreme Court, she had a reputation as a unifying force on the bench, and as someone who used her time and position to support abortion rights, indigenous rights, and further equality in the workplace. In later life, she became a cultural icon. She said, "Real change, enduring change, happens one step at a time." How does RBG's legacy continue to define modern American values?